Oh, hello. My name is Sofia and I am 11 years old. Now I will tell you about my speech. So, my speech is all about nature and animals. For example, the ocean is now under bad damage, but not only the ocean, even the animals too. They feel hurt, Now the ocean is so dirty and it is full of trashes like this. And the sea creatures is losing their habitats and they feel hurt because of the trash. There is so many people who does not understand how much do we have to care and help the animal. Like this one. This is a bad thing to do, of course. So there is still people that throw trashes to everywhere and they waste plastic. The animals are dying. The people that don't know how to pick trashes is the people that we all don't like, of course. So we have to reuse plastic trash and also say no to this bad plastic. And we have to separate the organic and unorganic. So this one, the organic and unorganic. The one that gets hurt is not us. Or should I say, the people that throw trashes everywhere or waste it. And it's the animal which gets hurt. We have to make a better life by start the green and stop the waste. So actually, we can grow plants even often. That is good things to do, right? Don't forget the animals, the nature, and everything around. Remember that plastic is the worst chemical thing in the world. In the world, okay? You can imagine if you want to see an amazing view. And then when you see it, it is worse than you think. The view is stinky, full of trash and plastic everywhere, of course. Don't you know that plastic can be thrown by people in the ocean can make a female fish become a male fish? Isn't that bad? All of that is because of the chemical stuff that contains in the plastic. And that's why we have to reuse plastic waste by doing this two stuff. So, for example, this is a bad plastic. We can make this to be like this. Change it to be like this. This is a wallet, actually. So, isn't that cute and also cool, of course? So anyway, my goal is to tell everyone in the world, okay, not to throw trash that easy and say no to plastic. Not like this, okay? This is a bad thing. There are victims, and it's the animals. They are cute and innocent, and victims, of course. You can imagine again if the fishes wanted to make a peaceful family. But there are trashes everywhere that makes the fishes hard to make a family. And what if it's supposed to be easy, but then it became hard and sad? You have to think first, then you throw trash. Not like this, okay? Thank you so much for listening my speech about nature and animals. I'm telling you that the earth is now in a bad damage and a terrible damage because of course, people. And for 100 times, once again, no more plastic and care about animal and nature. So we have to save the earth and also recycle plastics waste. So thank you so much and also goodbye.